Hi, this is Gina with your Kingdom Sewing Minute Clinic. Today I'm going to be stitching on the Baby Lock Triumph. This is a serger cover stitch combination machine. Whether you have a combo machine like this or you have a cover stitch machine that is strictly cover stitch, chances are you're not using one of the features of the machine. These machines have also the ability to make a chain stitch. And so with the chain stitch, you'll see I have set up here is just a single needle. And this is going to do just a basic straight stitch, so it looks pretty much like what you have with your standard sewing machine. Let me just show you how that looks. So you can see here we've got a straight stitch. On the back side, however, like a serger, we have a looper thread. So what would we use the chain stitch for? Well, this is really handy for sewing any kind of seam that you need to sew. If you'll take a look here at our lower looper thread, you'll see we've got a large cone. This is essentially our bobbin thread. So it's a great way to sew if you're sewing a project that's going to take you quite a while and you don't want to run out of bobbin thread. You've got a whole cone of thread here, so that's really handy. The other thing is that it's really great for stretch fabrics. So let's come back, we'll take a look. I've got my handy dandy lycra here. We're going to do our straight chain stitch. The nice thing about this is that it's a stretchy stitch. So although we're doing a straight stitch, it has some give. You can see that chain on the back, but it's a nice stretchy stitch. You can also do some fun decorative things with this stitch. Let me show you a couple of samples. So here we have our straight stitch across on the top, and when you turn over to the back side, you'll see that I've put in a decorative thread here. It's a heavier decorative thread that you can't really fit into a needle, but it can be a great way to trim out a project that you're working on. Let me show you just one more sample. This is kind of a fun one. Again, we've got the straight stitch. So this you would be sewing upside down. This is the side we'd be sewing on, and you would get this straight stitch here, which is the standard sewing thread. And then with the looper on the bottom, we've got our chain stitch with the decorative thread. One of the other really nice things about our chain stitch is it's great for basting, because if we clip our thread right at the end here, you'll see that we just give it a tug and it comes right out. So great for those things that you need to baste temporarily. So then now that you know what a chain stitch is, give it a try. This has been your Kingdom Sewing Minute Clinic.